peat is going to be darker brown in color and much more fine. Coir has got longer fibers. Looks like coconut fibers. Okay, coir and peat. That's coir, this is peat. Okay. Now, our first challenge is to determine the volume of the substrate, right? So here is a substrate, right? Now it is not all the way to the top. It is only up to here, right? So if there is a ruler, we can simply use the cylinder formula and we can do that. Can you? Yeah, sorry, I have to say scale. We call it rulers there. So likewise, even for this one, we have to determine the volume first. So some of you measure the radius, height, and then do the formula. Well, why don't you do it? I'm not doing it. You are doing it.
Radius.
Well, what is the formula? Yesterday we discussed about the formula, right? So radius, not the diameter.
Yes.
And then somebody record that for him. Give that number, and let her record for you.
16 is the diameter.
8 over here. 8 over here.
Even the ruler too.
Height.
And he's doing peat and somebody's doing coir, you're doing coir, right? So diameter may not be accurate here because it's not a...
Sir.
But come as close as possible. What, 16?
What is 16?
That's the diameter.
Yeah.
Radius.
8.
8, so it's the same top and bottom. We also want the height, but height up to soil or up to substrate, not up to the crop. It's not going to go all the way down.
Yeah.
No, you break it.
Break the media.
Not the media, the roller. And approximately give her the number. And so a couple of you calculate the area. Remember the formula we used yesterday. What was the formula for that?
5 square.
16.5.
For the coil.
For the coil it's 16.5. And then the other numbers you have it, 8, right? And then what about the peat?
14.
1,4.
Yes.
Okay, so let's calculate the volume first. Okay?
3,
We got the volume.
8.
Now here is going to be the top job.
4 square. The 3,
Adding water.
Volume first of the
That means
first
we
one.
have to-
Coil.
Slowly keep on adding. There are no holes in the bottom. Okay? So water is going to accumulate. Keep on adding water until
second here, 2813.
kind of you start seeing some water at the top. Right? But then every time you add water, you record it. Because we need to know how much you add.
1 liter beaker you have to pick over there.
Everyone following?
Somebody providing.
I think some of you can come this side. There's empty space here. And you can see it.
They come outside.
Alright, now. Okay, come out and come to the front. So you take care of the she takes care. Okay? So what we want to do is, you got the volumes?
Yes.
So we're going to add water. Okay, add water. But every time you add water, you record. So this is what? 250? 400. 400. So only up to 400 each time, okay? And slowly add, like all around. Slowly, keep adding, keep adding, keep adding.
400 ml.
Now remember number of times. Somebody keep track of how many times he's adding. And keep adding.
का काम करोगे कितना बीकर है? नहीं.
Okay, then we'll take it. Until you see water at the top.
You are doing for feet.
If it is a small part, it will be easier. It's a bigger part. Don't put it outside.
ये 14 वॉल्यूम का वॉल्यूम लेकिन ध्यान से 3.5 है और feet भी
इतना सा ग्रावा बोलो आपसे
It will take probably 10 liters. What is the volume, you said?
The volume is of the coil is 3,315 centimeter cube and the peat is 2,815.
So it's approximately 3.3 liters and that is approximately 2.8 liters. So we can assume that 50 to 60%. By the time they get to that,
अब थोड़ा सा स्लो कर देना प्रोसेस, ठीक है?
I would say 1.5 liter,
साइड से
2 liters.
क्योंकि लास्ट में जब एकदम से आएगा ना तो उस स्टेज पे लेके आना है कि धीरे धीरे वो दिक्कत नहीं करेगा।
I think when you get to 2 liters, you probably are pretty close, but let's see how much you can.
थर्ड भी करें।
Yes. But if you don't, keep on adding until you see it. But from 2 liters, 2.5 liters onward, be careful, slowly add.
So this is
It's leakage.
There are holes.
What to do now? Transfer it in a bucket.
बकेट जॉय की।
No, it's not like we need parts.
So can we take a little bit quantity of this?
We can also add a beaker here and calculate the amount that we want. Till we get
You
something.
keep adding and you keep getting. So
No, sir, till we get a quart. Because it will be.
it's okay. Put them inside the sink until she figures.
So like it's a problem with this one. We have to read
Well, let it actually that it's actually good because it's very dry medium. But you're going to get some error now because no, don't add any more. Don't add any more.
ये स्टैंड है
यहाँ तक चलेगा पूरा हाँ पूरा
पूरा
7.6
7.7
80 कर देते 7.7 है यार 7.7
और एक रेडियस नीचे का
ये 9 रूट आया ना 4.5 रेडियस हो गया इसका।
उठाइए ऐसे में देखो
हाइट कितनी थी? हाइट कितनी थी?
6.5 3.25 जो है
Height कितनी?
हाइट 7.7 और 3.25 छोटा वाला रेडियस
हाइट ये है हाइट है यानी ये हाइट है आजकल
अच्छा अच्छा
हाइट
ये
है
h है
ये नीचे लोअर पार्ट
हाँ,
है
गलत दिख गया गलत दिख
छोटा
गया।
ये नीचे छोटा आ रहा है
हाँ
3.25
तो R1 प्लस R2
Okay.
Sir, आपने
Now,
क्या किया?
now,
हमने किया
now slowly add water.
अपन ये अपन भी कर सकते हैं ना?
Now slowly add water. Slowly add
वेट
water.
पहले वेट
हुआ?
जस्ट वेट
No, already
7 point
7.5
Wait till it comes down.
7.75 डिवाइड बाय 2
डिवाइडेड बाय 2 तो कर दिया पहले ऑलरेडी कर दिया
कर दिया।
R निकाला ना।
Just hold up.
आप लिखिए 3.
तो पाई स्क्वायर होगा ना
3.14
3.14
इंटू ब्रैकेट में 7.75 का होल स्क्वायर
7.75
का होल स्क्वायर
होल स्क्वायर
इंटू एच है
अच्छा आपका
7.7
7 इसको करो कैलकुलेट करो
7.7 कैसे किया?
7.7 हाइट है ना इसकी
दोनों का अलग अलग जोड़ के।
हाँ
7.75 इंटू
ले गया इसको
100 ml और करना
100
वेट दिखे वेट कितना वेट इनिशियल वेट
इनिशियल वेट
हाँ मैंने दिया था ना अभी कितना?
इनिशियल वेट की बात है
उसको दिया
इनिशियल वेट क्या था
मैंने दिए पर्ची दी है आपको
वो पर्ची कितना सॉरी
168.27
100 ml से ऊपर लगा 200 है
आएगा
नहीं आएगा तो 100 से डालो
कम करें
100 ml में डालो
I see that. I think that should work. Actually, don't need even a liner inside.
वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी है
ये ना
हो गया भाई वो हमेशा मेजरिंग सिलेंडर यूज़ करना चाहिए इसको मेजरिंग सिलेंडर ये मेजरिंग सिलेंडर ये ऐसा ही देना चाहिए
ये सर ने ऐसा जुगाड़ कर दिया लोगों
7.
और ऐड करो और ऐड करो
टेबल तो नहीं पता
और बस
ठीक है, I'll tell that.
ठीक है
ये कब एम्प्टी कंटेनर
स्क्वायर फीट बता दिया
एम्प्टी कंटेनर का वेट
हो सकता है 100 बंदा लगे
No, that's okay.
नीचे से हो गया
हो गया लीक हो गया
Substrate plus.
लीक के तो वो
सर
पहले
वी एडिंग 200 ml वाटर
Keep going.
बट
It's coming out now.
ये कमिंग आउट सर ये फिर मेजर इसमें कर लेते हैं जो
You can't keep it. Oh. Let's see what they are doing. Leave it like that. They
Okay.
put a tape.
ओके टेप
If
अच्छा
the tape works, we can put the tape, but leave it like that. Let's see
Okay.
what happens there.
हाँ ये कर सकते हैं
आ गया
इम्प्रोवाइजेशन
एमसी लोग
तो नीचे तक ऊपर तक आएगा
यहाँ पे पानी आ चुका है एक्चुअली मैम फिल्म बन गई अपने अकॉर्डिंग से
The lines outside are inside.
सर
ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा ना वो तो
Is working
इसको
there,
इस
no?
पर भरते हैं
सर एक्चुअली दिस इज
वी हैव गॉट दी 400 underneath.
What do you have at the bottom?
सर वी हैव 400 प्लस स्पीकर
Okay.
Will minus 400.
Sir, by the feel of the surface, it feels like it is.
No, you should see a shiny layer actually of water. It's still taking water.
Same sir.
सेम
एक और बार try करेंगे.
Sir, sure, sir.
And that's it. That's the container capacity. We can get a weight after that.
55 हाँ तो 55 155 कैपेसिटी इसकी 145 कैपेसिटी 145 कैपेसिटी है इसकी वाटर
कंटेनर वेट
145
168.27 वेट
फिर इसका वेट लेंगे इसके बाद आगे फिर वेट लेंगे
ये ड्राई वेट है इसका
अभी वेट
आपको weight आ जाएगा. उसके बाद calculate.
हाँ कैलकुलेट देख
Container capacity in VWC.
हम फाइनल चेक करते हैं इसका वेइंग करते हैं
That is container capacity.
नीचे का जो बाउंड्री अंदर वाला देखिए
5 भी मान लो बिल्कुल 5 उसका वेट और बंदा एक बार
एक्सी पे तो R1 plus R2 divided by
ये क्या चीज़ हो गई हमारी सबस्ट्रेट का
क्या करना इंटू 2 करना उसको R स्क्वायर को
2.85 का स्क्वायर किलोमीटर
2.85 into 2.85 भैया आगे
बहुत स्लो
I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine.
कॉयर का कर
Keep doing little bit more. Keep doing. You're getting there. You're getting pretty close. Oh, there it is.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so show the others please before you make holes.
Please come here.
100 ml लिया हमने
Look at this.
कितना लिया था सर 100 ml लिया था
Percentage क्या?
80 मान 80
First team has completed something.
ये देखिए ये वाली स्टेज है शाइनी लेयर.
जितना बचेगा उसको अपन माइनस कर लेंगे माइनस कर डालिए गोल्डन कितना भाई माइनस को गोल्डन
सर इसमें थोड़ा मेरे को बीच में करना है.
नीचे रखना है वो गिरेगी तो
What percentage is that?
सीधे सीधे हाँ.
मैं पकड़ता हूँ चेतना
मैं क्या करूँ थोड़ा सा बढ़ा. हाँ बस
बड़े वाला से कंटेनर के पास कैलकुलेट पहले वो खत्म करेंगे उसके बाद उसमें पहले वो खत्म करेंगे बड़े वाला जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है उसमें कंटेनर कैपेसिटी करेंगे तो पहला नंबर क्या है पहला वेट क्या है
अब तो नहीं आ रहा.
then this is the calculate so subtract this from this 111 right this is 111 centimeter वो जो पार्ट है ना पहला वाला उसका वॉल्यूम आप कैलकुलेट किया ना वॉल्यूम
अब इसको निकालना पड़ेगा वो कहाँ के बिंदु और छोटा वाला ले लें.
इसमें मेजर नहीं
हाँ हाँ पानी.
What will come out? Measure the water. And then afterwards that's weight. So two more weights. And then afterwards.
मैं पूछता हूँ एक बार.
Thank you.
हाँ हाँ स्पॉटलाइट में हम यहाँ से
अरे इस पे रख दो
इस पे भी नहीं पता चलेगा थोड़ा सा कोई
इस पे देखो तो आ जाएगी
निकलेगा नहीं भाई
नहीं ट्रे वॉश कर लो
ड्राई भी कर लो
ड्राई का तो क्या करोगे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा तुम्हारे एक दो
लेयर नीचे हमारा प्रेशर
ज़्यादा नहीं करना ज़्यादा
से निकल जाएगी
आगे आगे और भी तो करने हैं एक और कर लो Now let's हाँ मैम अगला फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं
मजा आता हुआ निकल जाएगा
भाई पानी
Okay, so if you are done well, finish your calculation. Gulal, read that.
तो हम कर रहे हैं तो हमारी शिद्दत से लगे पड़े हमने यार
तो नॉर्मल तो आता है
This is air space. Then water space. 80 minus 41. Total porosity कितना गया 80. Total volume हमारा
स्पेस में
हाँ
स्पेस तो
ये आ गया ना ये
तो ये भी वॉल्यूम ही है
हाँ हाँ
इसको तो कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं सेंटीमीटर
हाँ टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ दी सॉलिड हमारा ये था, ठीक है। हमने वेट किया था ना, वॉल्यूम निकाला था उसका, हाँ ठीक है। ये तो सेंटीमीटर की, हाँ हाँ ये है सेंटीमीटर की जगह और फिर आया टोटल कोर स्पेस हमारा ये है जितना उसमें डाला एयर स्पेस है 21 जो कि नीचा वाटर स्पेस है 80 माइनस 41, तो ये हमारी इंडिविजुअल आ गया। अब परसेंटेज में अगर निकालेंगे तो इसको टोटल ये है 140 परसेंटेज देखा जाएगा, हाँ बेस का परसेंटेज, फिर बेस का परसेंटेज 41.5, हाँ टोटल का एयर स्पेस
37.07%.
space to water space.
Still accurate नहीं.
50% के अकॉर्डिंग बता रहे हैं क्योंकि पहले उसमें पानी था 37 या सर
Air space में
But still it is 37%.
अब इसको जो सबसेट आप यूज़ किया ना उसमें भी थोड़ा ध्यान दें बट पूरा चार कैलकुलेशन से पूरा चार कैलकुलेशन और लेट्स वेट दे फिनिश दे हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड वी कंपेयर नंबर्स
water space 45.61 upon 80. What's it now? 57? कैसे आया है? वो पता है कैसे आया है?
वो जो 66.27 में थोड़ा पानी भी है totally solid but that is approximately about 30% होना
Sir, we have also
solid space, air space, water space, everything. One more minute, they are almost finishing.
also this is bulk density.
You can also bulk density. Can you calculate bulk density?
Yes, we will calculate.
Bulk density आप calculate bulk density won't be more accurate because it should be based on dry soil. Okay, right?
Sir, we have adjusted bulk density.
So you have coil. You have used coil. After that, coil at coil. Coil. No, nobody will speak. Nobody start.
No, sir, they are feet only.
Oh, peak. Coil. Coil, peak.
And sir, one more is feet. Two feet.
नहीं मर्जर हो
हम लोग का मर्जी है. There are
Okay, you did alone.
so there are 4 groups.
That's what I thought. There should be 4 groups. You have separate number. About 57%. 57% pore space for peak. How much did you get for coil? Total pore space for coil. 56%. How about pore space for coil?
42.5%.
Wow. 56, 42. Big difference. You did coil too, right?
Yes.
And yours coil too, right? So why
have taken bed media also.
So why don't you go discuss? What? No, from there. This is called peer review. We call it peer review. You are talking with each other, right? So they are saying they are correct and you are saying you are correct. Somebody is wrong. And let's debate who is right and who is wrong. What went wrong?
Total pore space is 42.5%.
What percentage है?
It is 80 mm. 80 mm.
Volume?
Volume is 180.
Join us there. So
188. Total is 188 centimeter cube.
So before all of you debate, I want to just say only one thing. The interest we showed today in the lab,
Yeah.
tell you this. ये जो आज आपने किया है ना, it's a very simple thing. Parts, media. I'm thinking if you get opportunity to play with sensors, analyzers, physiology equipment, digital technologies, how much interest you will have and where it will take you. I will try my best, but I'm only one person. But keep showing interest. One day you may get an opportunity. And when you get an opportunity, don't let it go. Don't look back. You got a target in front of you, and that's what you should see. Not all of you may get the opportunity. Some of you may get an opportunity. Use it. Use it the best. When I went to US, I never slept. I used to sleep for only 3 hours for entire my master's and PhD because there was an opportunity. Okay? And you see the target, that is all you should see, nothing else. Okay? No distractions. But a lot of interest, very, very impressive. Okay? Hopefully you all will get good opportunities. And if there is anything I can do, I will do it. Alright? Okay, now what?
What's the radius, ma'am? Ma'am, sir, we have the difference of the volume, basically.
Well, why is that? I don't know who's right, who's wrong.
Sir, our radius is 3.3 centimeters. 3.3 centimeters.
Average radius, na? Average radius.
Normal.
This is all our.
No, we only do carbon only.
आपके पास वाले नहीं है, पार्ट नहीं।
It is the first of
So they say part volume is 140. What is your part volume?
180 centimeters.
180.
80 centimeters.
So it's not the same part, right? It should not be that different. Somewhere something total part volume.
they have taken the R2 volume, R2 radius.
वॉल्यूम कितना है?
What was the average radius?
Average radius, na?
Our height was 5.5 centimeters.
187.
Sir, there is we taken the height as 5.5 centimeters.
Yeah. E2. But the radius is 187. Sir, we consider the
So आपका part volume. So there are two groups that got part volume of 140. But you are getting 180. So there is something wrong there.
We have taken the height.
So now take that 140 and take that. Take 140 and take that. Huh? Yeah, he also got 140, he also got 140. Yeah, there is nothing wrong. Why don't you recalculate this now? Yeah. So why did you miss R2? Why did you miss R2? Very high. So tell me what is the formula? Man problem.
42.8.
So close there. So 142, then 148, we had 87. But the problem is you all started with wet salt. What you can all do is you can take now your part. We have some big ovens, dry ovens. You can put it in there, and then that 2-3 days later it becomes completely dry. And then you get a week, and that is the dry one. You don't have to do it. That's the procedure.
What is the plastic one might melt?
No, this is paper. No, paper top won't happen. Even with plastic, it won't. It's not like at 100 degrees Celsius. It's like only 55-60 degrees Celsius. Slowly water evaporates in 3 days, and we end up with just the dry soil. Dry soil plus part, you get the weight. That is basically what I do. Normally that's what we do, but you don't have to. But that's the procedure.
So we can also give it as a sun for 2
Well, for 10 days. Any case, what is the air space?
Sir, 42.
No, that's also high. Your calculation that you need to check your
Sir, air space
calculation.
is 35%. 35%.
That's high, right? How did you divide? What did you divide with what?
So we have ecological volume that
So that is 20 what? 28 divided by? No.
percent.
Airspace Yeah, person's post. The total post. That's correct. So the formula, I think I told you wrong. So total water that came out divided by total water. 74. That divided by gas space. That's gas space. Total post is made. So we have 2100 divided by how much ag? That is the in that pore space, there is some after the water, some after the air. Now we are finding the water that came out is relevant to increase. Divided by how much gas? No, 21.3 divided by how much gas? 77 divided by that is supposed to be gas. So, this is all the post. You add water, and the water is what, 74? Then you function more. And all the three posts will be water is there in the small chain. Three posts are there. And that is 1%. So this is total dosage. The total dosage 21 is there. Now what is water space? This minus divided by water. But when you get container capacity, what you do is minus 21 divided by 1 part. Not by substrate part. So I think now you understand, right, how we have in air space, water space. Water space is not equal to container capacity. Water space is expressed as percentage of pore space. Container capacity is expressed as percentage of container substrate, right? So keep that difference in mind. But you now know how to, but in real world, when you get an opportunity, do it lightweight, take dry soil, take a slightly bigger part, right? And then just follow the same procedure. And the numbers you should normally get about 70% total pore space. Okay? But because the media is already wet, you won't get it. About 70% total pore space. You should get about 55% container capacity. Out of that 70% total pore space, 20 to 25% should be air space, and the remaining should be water source. But media can differ when you add more perlite versus vermiculite versus something else, things can change. But this is still the procedure. The procedure is the same, whatever it is. But you got to do it in real world. But this is sort of like a little bit hands-on learning experience rather than me giving some numbers on the table and asking you to do the calculation. I think all those tutorials, when I actually planned them, I was planning to bring the sensors, things like that here. But the problem was with customs. By chance, if you hold it, two things happen. One, I won't be able to bring it here. When you stuck there, they'll be stuck there for months, sometimes more than a year. And then I have to pay FedEx and to get them back is another $3,000, $4,000, $5,000.
We can also get those sensors in the soil science laboratory or
Well,
something.
I will check, but I was told some help, but I'll ask with the...
So because one of our friend has also done similar experiment on something, so she is aware of that there might be some available sensors.
So some of you are from here, right? Who is from here? Can you,
Sir, I think my friend she is also
can you please verify? Ask for temperature sensors, light sensors, spectroradiometer. These, can you write it down? Anybody please write it down? Light sensor, it's also called as quantum sensor.
Quantum sensor might be available in the agrometric.
It's the same thing, light or quantum sensor. Temperature sensor is a thermocouple or thermistor, whatever you have. Thermistor or thermocouple. Then I also want, if possible, EC and pH sensor. They should be there.
So we can get here sensor machine is there.
EC.
Meter is present here. The EC and pH meter.
probably come next week for lab also. EC and pH also. So nutrients. See if they have any water content sensors, volumetric water content sensors. If they have any water sensors, hydrology and water sensors, soil water sensors.
There, water sensor.
Yeah, they may have some.
Cloudy.
The thing is, the water sensors they use in soil, we don't use in greenhouses. They are totally different. But if they are there, I can take you and explain it.
There is a precision farming development center here.
I see.
In that we may find a lot of
They are using the cloud sensor and soil sensor, water sensor.
So yeah, so then after tomorrow, my next class is going to be next Wednesday. Right? You got some time in between. In that period, we can inquire and also procure. If we can get them somewhere to our wherever we're meeting, we can discuss and explain and take it.
Because her work was based on precision farming.
That's what they are also saying. Yeah. Yeah, they should have sensors, right? Precision farming. But precision farming is mostly for field crops.
Yeah.
So we don't know if they have field sensors or for greenhouse. But let's ask.
greenhouse.
Oh, greenhouse also.
That project is basically focused on greenhouse.
So try if you can find these sensors. If they have spectroradiometer, that's good. Spectroradiometer. Spectroradiometer. There is something called infrared radiometer also. Spectroradiometer, infrared radiometer. If you can find at least a few of them, then you can go next, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with those sensors. Maybe do small testing. That way you get some hands-on experience. That's all, right? Get some experience so you know it.
So because in agronomy we have basic of EC and pH experiment.
Yeah, that should be here. Yeah,
So
we
it
should
is
be
present there.
Yeah, we should be able to look at the ECPH. I'll think of some experiments on my
So
day.
it should be done for the we are having
I was planning to do both method. Both is another I explained, not do that. Now that we have substrate, we can do both it. But once we collect the medium, if you have some parts with plants, that would be very nice. We can do both on them. And I'll show you how to calculate core water and the pH. So I think Hope is planned for. Do we have a lab tomorrow? Does anybody know? Am I doing a lab?
Yes, sir. There is one tutorial and other lectures.
What is the name of the tutorial? Theory?
The trade in ECPH.
That's is it lecture? That's lecture.
It's a tutorial.
Substrate EC both through methods.
Oh, very good. So can you please bring it up tomorrow? And can we get ECPH?
So we can talk also at
Can you please somebody ask? If they have, will come here and report to us.